Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we got this toy and it's called Moji Pops. This is the serious one. This is a tree house and this is a pool party and this one is Ferris wheel. Okay, start opening them. Yeah. Let's open this first. Okay, this is the wheel. Turn it around with your hand. And this is a bite for the little things. And this is a milkshake. And this is a ice cream. Here's a TikTok guys, and now let's start playing with it. No, Arthur. First, let's put this in the wheel. But where should we put her? There's no space. I think we can put her here. How shall we open the wheel? Now let's put him in the wheel carefully. Close it. Now we can spin it. Look guys, now let's take it out. Guys look, this is the first time and we put the scooter and the ice cream there. But look, she has a smiling face. See? Now let's squeeze it. Got the face out. And look, now beautiful face. Guys, look, now this one has a dirty face. Now let's change it. Now let's turn it to a bumpy face. Now it's a bumpy face. Ow, wow, wow. So guys, this was our Moji Pops farewell. Now let's open the tree house. Guys, look, this little green thing is a table. This little balloon things are a chair. Put it like this to be a rectangle. And this is a rice and pizza. Let's put the pizza first. And now the rice. These are our friends and they are very hungry. She's happy if she's eating pizza. Now let's change her face and put it on the crying. This is how you cry. Wah, 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 like baby. Look guys, she's having a sleepy face and now let's change her face. Now look guys, she is laughing. This is kind of wah, wah, wah. Oh, I think I know why she's crying. Because somebody take her pizza away. So guys, my baby's crying. And Eva will send her pizza now. Here goes some pizza, baby. Bye-bye. Is it sleepy time? No, right here, Eva. Right here. It's no space. Eva, they're going to keep him out. Now let's take him out of bed and put her. Maybe swing. Take a swing together. I'll put it in this one. That's not swinging, Eva. You are cheating. Baby, don't be cheating. Look guys, now she's going in the tree house. Hello guys, I'm crying, sorry. I'm gonna go upstairs and get some sleep because I'm a bit tired. Oh. Oh my goodness, I'm a bit tired. Let me go down to the ground. Hey, that's my dream. Let's look what else we have. Now they can go and sleep. This is the sleeping mask. You can sleep with this and put them to sleep. Let's take them up in the bedroom. Right. No, this is bedroom. Now your turn again. No. Look at his float. Look, this is a swimming pool with a float. And this is a slide, and this is a jumping thing, and this is a friend for somebody, and she's sitting on the chair. And this is how you sit here and relax. And this is how you drink something day and night. And it can spin. And I think it's a good idea to invite the friends too. Let me get the friends. Let's slide in water. Now we're gonna open Series 1. So guys, these are the Moji Pops Series 1. Now let's see the 6, 7, 8. Here's 10. And everybody jump in the pool. This one